So one of the things that you can do using VLC Media Player is go ahead and then use it for audio conversion as well. For example, I have a MP3 format of audio right here. So let's say I want to go ahead and convert it. In that case, you can go around over here onto the media menu and then go to convert and save. So once you do that, you can go ahead and click on add and then navigate to the folder where you have your MP3 file right here. You can go ahead and select it and click on open, and then this is what you have. So now you can go ahead and click on convert and save, and over here you can see that you can go ahead and choose an audio file that you want. For example, here for audio you can convert into OGG or Vorvis file format or MP3 or FLAC, FLAC format or CD format as needed. Let me just select audio format FLAC right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose a location. So I'm just going to save it in the same folder, but I'm going to have the extension as FLAC. So container is FLAC, as you can see right here. So let me just go ahead and click on save and then hit the start button, and then it gets converted out right there. And now you can see the FLAC format right here, which has been converted. And that is how you can utilize VLC Media Player for audio conversion as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.